Now, let's move to the reason for dating. Why do we date? So that you begin to understand what this thing really means. Why do we date? Why? The reason for dating is to know each other. It's as simple as that. If you do any dating and the essence is not to know each other, you have failed. I repeat, the reason for dating is to know each other. If the reason for your dating is not to know each other, that dating has failed. The purpose is defeated. So when I say to my colleague in the office that I like, that is a female, and I say, let me take you out for dinner, it is not the food that is important. It is in me studying her studying me. That's what is important. But the challenge is that we don't even know this. So let's assume that the guy knows and the female doesn't know. So the guy is studying the female. Meanwhile, the female is not even studying the guy. The female is just, maybe she just wants to eat the food and go back to work. Her mind is just go back to work. Let me just eat. I'm hungry. Just eat and go. I'm not saying she's do you understand? I'm not saying she's bad. I'm just saying her concern is like, okay, my friend, she wants to take me out now. I eat. After I'm actually hungry. Let me just eat. Then go back to my place of work. That essence is defeated. But when both of you know that the essence is to know each other, and you see, you cannot know each other in one day. That's why it now becomes dating. So when you get to the meeting, you sit down, you start talking, you pay attention to how she sat down, you pay attention to did he as a guy, did he move the chair for me to sit down, did he prepare the table for me, did he take care of me, was he pampering me, was he giving attention to details, how did he talk to the waiter, was he angry when something happened? You are paying attention to him and seeing what he's doing and how he's doing it. As a mate, you are looking at the lady. Who does she greet? Does she have courtesy? Does she have respect? How does she eat? How is she eating? What kind of food she likes? You are paying attention to those things. Coupled with the fact that you will discuss, you will ask questions, you will say some things and hear how she will respond. That's what dating is for. So if you stayed with somebody on a date, like you guys went out, and all you did was just to watch the movie, that was entertainment. You went for sociology. What you did was to entertain yourself. You wasted the date because you should have time before the movie and have time after the movie. The movie was supposed to be a center of attraction, like a complement to the main thing. The movie shouldn't be the main thing. Are you understanding? Let's go and swim. The swimming now becomes the main thing. You swam all through. There was no time to discuss. There was no time to check each other out. There was no time to have proper conversation. You wasted your time. Let's go on a driving. Then you go on a driving. One person is sleeping off. I don't understand. Say, I'm so tired from work. You wasted it. You wasted the time. Or let's say the girl comes to visit you in your house as a date. Then, because you guys have been dating, you're trying to know each other, right? Then she's cooking in the kitchen. Then you are sleeping. In the name of I'm tired. Like she has wasted the date. The essence is not to come and cook for you. The cooking was a side attraction. So you were supposed to be in the kitchen with her to see how she cooks. Is she neat? Is her food fine? What's her process? How is she doing it? Is she sitting down doing certain things that she's supposed to stand up to do?